Hey, you go to LaGuardia Community College, right? Yeah, me too. How about you follow me so you don't get lost? Sounds good? All right, we're gonna cross the street. Queens Boulevard. It's a nice little walk. So I'm gonna tell you a good story so you don't get bored. Now, this is the experience I had with Lady Gaga. It was crazy. But it was crazy. It was a good story. So look. Now we reached 32nd place, right? We're gonna cross the street. You're gonna see T-Mobile on your left. You gotta keep walking down. Now, the LaGuardia faculty, the staff, you see them everywhere. They're up bright and early trying to get your education along the way. So I bump into them time to time. We got the man Tom Regan right here.
God bless you.
He's the man. It's a beautiful day. You're gonna see Van Dam Street. You're welcomed by trucks, by cars, by everyone. This is where you wait. The first building out of 4. This is the E building. You can go in through the side or through the front. I'll show you the main entrance. All right, we're getting close to the front entrance. E building. This is the main building. There's no smoking allowed within 50 feet, so remember that. This is going to seem very familiar to you. There's always security in the front of the door. You're going to have to show your ID to get in. Not a problem. All right, so now we're walking straight, right? You're going to see 2 pillars. They're red. They stand out like crazy. There's the M building. This is 3110. Joseph Schenker Hall. Okay, all right. We're good? All right. That wasn't too long, was it? Now we're reaching the B building, 3020, building number 3 out of 4. We've got the second computer lab here, 3rd floor. It's always cold in there, so bring a blanket, bring a hoodie while you're studying hard. All right, and now we're reaching the C building, the 4th building. All right, we're here. That wasn't too bad, right? I hope you remember everything I told you. I hope you like my stories, that they were entertaining. And I'll see you around LaGuardia Community College.